Introducing the RAK Origin 62 close-coupled corner toilet, the perfect solution for those seeking stylish and space-saving design. Crafted from easy-clean gloss white ceramic, this toilet not only adds a hint of polish to your bathroom or cloakroom, but also ensures effortless maintenance. With its rounded rectangular-shaped pan and distinctive corner design, this toilet is specifically designed to fit perfectly into smaller spaces. Say goodbye to cramped bathrooms and hello to extra space for that much-needed furniture. The RAK Origin 62 comes with a dual flush mechanism, allowing you to choose between a partial or full flush. Not only does this save water, but it also helps you save money on your utility bills. Upgrade your bathroom today with the RAK Origin 62 close-coupled corner toilet. Don't miss out on this fashionable addition to your home. Discover this and the rest of the RAK Ceramics bathroom range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.